Hello friend, in the previous lecture we had seen the sorting technique in data structure. There are numerous sorting techniques that we had already discussed in the previous lecture. The sorting techniques are bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort and quick sort. Now the today's point is introduction to searching in data structure. The searching in the data structure refer to the process of finding the location LOC of an element in the list. The searching is nothing but the finding the location of a particular element in a list. This is one of the important part of many data structure algorithm, as one operation can perform on an element if and only if we find it. Various algorithms have been defined to find whether an element is present in the collection of atoms or not. The searching is the process of finding a given value position in the list of value. You know that how to search the element. If the element is present in the particular list, then we say that the element is present. Otherwise, we say that the element is absent. It decides whether a search key is present in the data or not. It is the algorithmic process of finding a particular atom in a collection of atoms. The collection of atom is nothing but the arrays. It can be done on internal data structure or on external data structure also. The searching technique in a data structure to search an element in a given array, it can be done in the following way: the sequential search and binary search. The searching technique can be categorized into two parts: sequential search part and binary search part. First we see what is the sequential search. This is the traditional technique for searching an element in a collection of elements. In this type of search, all the elements of the list are traversed one by one to find if the element is present in the list or not. One example of such an algorithm is a linear search. This is a very simple and basic algorithm. Suppose the ARR is an array of n element. Consider that ARR is an array of n elements, and we need to find out the location LOC of the element atom in ARR. Consider that there is an array of ARR and there are n element in the array, and suppose we need to find the location of atom in ARR. For this LOC is assigned to -1, which indicate that the atom is not present in the ARR. While comparing the atom with the data each location of the ARR, and once the atom equal to ARR of n, this condition is true, then the location is updated with the location n plus 1 value. Hence we find the atom in the ARR list. The sequential search is also called as the linear search. Note that the sequential search is also called as the linear search. The sequential search start at the beginning of the list and check every element of the list. You know that in the sequential search technique we use the array, and in that array we starting from the beginning of the array and check every element of the list. It is the basic and simple search algorithm, and sequential search compare the element with all other elements given in the list. If the element is matched, element is found, then it is return the value index, else it return the -1 value. Show this pictorial representation of the sequential search. Suppose this is an array and it contains the element 10, 5, 15, 20, 25, 35, and start of this array is 10. Then it will be sequentially searched: 10, then 5, then 15, then 20, then 25, then 35, like that manner. This figure show how the sequential search work. It search an element or value from an array till the desired element or value is not found. If we search an element 25, it will be go step by step in a sequence order, that means in the linear order. It search an element in a sequence order. The sequential search is applied on the unsorted or unsorted list when there is a fewer element in the list. So this is the algorithm for this sequential search. Suppose I consider L search procedure. Here I pass that procedure array, n number of element, item and location. Here ARR is the array of n elements. Item hold the value we need to search in an array. Item is nothing but the value that we need to search in an array, and algorithm returns location LOC to the location where item is present in ARR. Initially we have to set the location to -1. Set the location equal to -1 and take the variable I equal to 1. Repeat while the data of I is not equal to item. This is the looping statement, and then we increment the value I by 1 and check that if I equal to n plus 1, then we set that the location equal to 0. Otherwise we proceed location equal to n plus 1 and exit from here. The loop will be continue up to this condition will be true. If it is false, then loop will be terminated. Here is the program to find program for sequential search. Here in this program I take a ARR variable of 50 size, then search variable, CNT variable and num variable. Here I enter the number of element in an array, scanf %d %num. Then printf enter the %d integer, and here we print the array number of element in an array. Now we take the array element through keyboard. Here CNT will assign to 0, CNT is less than n num and CNT plus plus, scanf %d comma ampersand ARR of CNT. Now enter the number to search. That means enter the number which you want to search in the list. So we enter the element or assign the value to the search variable. Now take again for loop, assign the CNT to 0, CNT is less than num and CNT plus plus. Check that if the ARR of CNT equal to search, if this condition is true, then we print that printf write in printf statement %d is present at location %d. Here %d is for the element and CNT plus is for the location, and break from here. And if the CNT equal to num, then we said that the number is not present in the list and return 0. Suppose I run this program in online editor. You should use the online editor for the DS program running. Here this is the online editor. The name of the online editor is www.onlinegdb.com. You run your practical in this online editor. Here this program is like that. I already discussed that program. Suppose I run that program. The run program through this run, press this run key. If I press the run key, it will be compile the program and ask the message, enter the number of element in an array. Suppose I type the 3 here and press the enter key, then it will be asked that enter 3 integers. Suppose I enter 11, then enter 12, then 13. Now press the enter key. It will be asked that enter the number to search. That means which element you have to search. Suppose I enter the 13 element to search it, then it will be show the message 13 is present at the location 3, because it will be found the location from 1 to n number. So 13 is present at location 3. It will be show the output. So for practical purpose, student, you use this online editor. You can type your program here and run this program on mobile also. So friend, today we see this linear search technique. Now in the next lecture we start the second category of the searching technique, that is binary search with example. Thank you friend.